Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Feature Friday. Of course, you know who I am. My name's Bobby, and in this week's Feature Friday, we're talking about a update that, oh man, like if any of you have seen that Shaq kind of like excited where he lifts his shoulders, going ooh in excitement about. Well, that's how I'm feeling about this because I feel like I get this request so frequently that it's I can recite what people have been asking for, and that is the ability to have an automatic trip charge added to a ticket when you schedule an appointment for a customer. That's right, we've added automatic trip charges to the appointment system, and let's get into how you get that going. So first thing you need to do is click on admin, and from there, in a previous video we covered changes where we created appointment types and appointment reminder schedules. In this case, we're going to click on appointment types. Hopefully many of you are making use of this and have different appointment types, but there are some bootstrapped ones. I believe those three are in-shop, on-site, and phone call. Now, in whichever appointment type you'd like to have a charge applied to, all you need to do is click edit, and in this case I'll do on-site, and there will be a new field here called automatically add ticket charge. This field is a search field for your inventory. So if you type something in and select it and then hit save, going forward, anytime that appointment type is selected, and we'll do it here on the video, anytime that appointment type is selected, a ticket charge will get added to the add view charges. Now, in terms of inventory, there's nothing special you need to do. You could use an existing labor product if you wanted to, or an existing product in general if you wanted to. I think my advice to this would be if you wanted to track like the revenue from your ticket charges, the best thing to do would be to create a brand new product that's only used specifically for your trip charges. Some of you may already be doing that, but in case you weren't, my recommendation is to create a trip charge specific product and then just use that for your appointment types, so that when you look at any of your reports, you can specifically see how many trip charges are actually being charged to your clients, but then also what your revenue looks like and that sort of thing. All right, enough yip-yapping about that. Let's actually jump over to a ticket. So it's important to note that with the trip charges, you have to be generating the appointment from a created ticket in order for the trip charge to actually get added or billed to your client. So I have a ticket here, and I'll just go new appointment, and you fill it out as usual, except in the appointment type, make sure you're selecting the appointment type that applies a ticket charge, and then just fill it out the rest of the way and hit create appointment. When you do that, the page will refresh and you'll see that a charge is added to the add view charges button. In my case, it used the product that I selected in the appointment types. Simple as that. You don't have to turn anything else on in settings or anything like that, and that way you can bill your customers for your trips. I do also want to mention, because I'm sure it's going to come up, that you can, of course, continue to create appointments as you have been able to directly from the customer, but we've added this little error message, or not error message, notice message that says any appointment charges configured will not be added without a ticket. Again, for now, in order for a trip charge to automatically apply to a customer, you're going to need to create the appointment from the ticket. So we did this as just kind of like a reminder to your technicians when they're going in to create the appointments to hopefully not create them in the wrong place. We're exploring a couple ways to go about maybe changing this system, but for now, you do need to create the appointment from the ticket. So with that, that is automatic trip charges in this week's Feature Friday. Again, if you head to the admin screen and then in appointment types, just locate the appointment type that you want to have a trip charge, and they all could have it if you wanted to, but there's a new field here called automatically add ticket charge. This is a search field for your inventory. Just type in the name of the product that you want to apply so that that gets used whenever the appointment is scheduled from a ticket. Hit save, and you're done. Anytime someone creates an appointment with that specific type, from a ticket, a charge will get added to the Add View Ticket Charges section so that you can bill your clients. Anyway, I hope everyone enjoys this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.